mathematicians. Today I wanted to talk about another easy way to incorporate lots of math into a student or a child's daily life in a way that is both authentic and meaningful and meets standards, but is also at the same time a way for parents and families and teachers to assign things for kids to work on a more independent platform, but again, still making sure that the work that they're doing is meaningful and actually relates to math. So what I wanted to talk to you about today was using devices that you have at home and how you could allow your mathematician to use those in a way that lets them explore the math around them. We are all looking for ways to sort of get the biggest bang for our buck when it comes to helping students with assignments. If we're teachers, we're trying to find the best ways to assign math work for kids. And as parents, we're also looking for what's the best way that I can follow along with what my child's teacher is presenting and also maybe even provide some enrichment. And the idea that I had come up with for that is to use the camera in some of your devices. Now, your phones have cameras and your iPads have cameras. So of course, if you're working with younger mathematicians, you want to make sure that you have some type of covering over the device before they do that. And you do want to make sure that you set some parameters and some expectations for them before you set them free with a device and you let them roam throughout the house. Some things that I was thinking about and some ways that you could easily do that is to allow them to snap pictures of math that they see around them. If you want to keep it very open-ended, you could allow your child to go throughout different parts of the house and find some math that's available. You'll actually be really, really surprised at what they're going to find and what they're going to come up with. Older mathematicians, you can allow them to do the same exact thing and then have them choose, because children love the power of choice, allow them to choose the one that they want to talk about. One of the most fantastic ones that I found was when I was cleaning our shower the other morning, I was thinking about the tiles. You could have a mathematician explore the arrays that are found in tiling. You could have a mathematician explore the patterns that are found in tiling. Tiling also is going to explore fractional pieces as well. So again, we're trying to think about what are ways that mathematicians can be working authentically and still in ways that are building their mathematical experiences, but in ways that we can't necessarily replicate what we would be doing in the classroom. This math work can also apply when you're heading outside, and you can also add in quite a bit of science. Look for symmetry in the world around you. Symmetry addresses students' geometric standards, and it's a great way to get them thinking about what they're seeing. And now you're connecting not only your math work, but also your science work. If you are not comfortable with having your mathematician carry a device around, you could also have them carry a pencil and a paper around, or some crayons and a paper around, and ask them to draw some of the math that they're seeing. As I'm sitting here now doing this video, I'm looking at a plaid shirt that belongs to my youngest son, and I'm thinking, perfect. Not only could a mathematician work on color identification and counting the squares, but also an array. They could also work on a pattern. They could also work on discovering what fraction, of the shirt follows which pattern. So again, if you're looking for some really easy ways to incorporate math into your either students' daily lives in a way that is less overwhelming to parents and families, or into your child's daily life, which again is in a less overwhelming way for you as a parent. It also gives them autonomy and it gives them an independence to practice the things that they're working on. Happy mathing!